the channel. I can solve a Rubik's Cube. So I'm going to show you how fast I can do it. So I scramble it one way and then I keep on going. So let me do that. I'm going to get my hands ready and let's see how fast it takes me. Look at that. So I solved yellow, and so there's 6 colors on that, and I solved all of those. So I want to do that one more time. It doesn't happen in one day. I have to practice all day long. One more time. So I corner cutted that one. I went like this. I just solved it, but I'm gonna keep on going. You see that? Okay. I'm gonna do it one more time and then you can go ahead and like 2 more times. So it's scrambled. Then I wanna get that there. So did you see that? If you like my video, please like and subscribe and share. Bye.